Happy Monday, everyone. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Mine could be better, but doing things here to just take my mind off of other things. Anyway, instead of a post, I thought that I would actually do something that people might feel a little bit more and maybe feel a little bit more where I am coming from. It's a song that many of you know very well. I'm just gonna sing it with no music, but I feel you'll understand. There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. Think it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds, getting so much resistance from behind. Think it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs. Mostly say hooray for our side. I think it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Paranoia strikes deep. Into your life it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. You better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.